Hey everyone, Clint McCullough here, Clinical Sales Director for BoneFoam. Today we're going to be talking about our leg tunnel for lateral positioning. We have a left and a right leg tunnel. You can see the cutout of the leg tunnel here, and the point of that is to really position the down leg and make sure that leg is flexed and in a comfortable position throughout the duration of the case. The leg tunnel will largely be used for procedures of the calcaneus, lateral leg, and acetabulum. The leg tunnel is designed to make lateral positioning process a lot easier and more stable for the patient and staff. It also helps to protect bony prominences of the lower extremities. The leg tunnel is positioned on top of the OR table, and it is secured with a reusable strap that goes around the table to hold it in place. One of the key benefits of the leg tunnel is it's easy to set up, and it's a durable foam. Rather than using blankets and pillows and towels that will change position over time, this is going to maintain its shape and make sure x-rays and the position is consistent throughout the case. One of the key factors of the leg tunnel is the stability that it provides for surgery. A lot of times if we're reducing a fracture or fixing a calcaneus, we need to be able to put pressure on the leg and not have the leg sink in to something soft. So we have a wide operating surface here, and it also really allows us to separate the legs for lateral imaging. When we take a picture from the top, we want to make sure that the legs are offset so we get a clear image of the operative leg. It also allows us to move the hip. We can flex and extend the hip when we are working on the acetabulum and lateral pelvis. To learn more about any of our BoneFoam positioning solutions, visit us at bonefoam.com or reach out to our clinical sales team.